Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a student at YTA. I've just completed my 5-day tiling course and I've also done a 5-day plumbing course. Originally came in to do them as home improvement, learn a little bit more, be able to do some work at home, but actually with the knowledge that I've learned over the last 10 days, I actually feel like I could take it out into the real world and possibly look at career development, that kind of thing. What I'd say, YTA, absolutely fantastic organisation, really well set up. I'm studying one of the training bays now, but you basically come in, you're fully kitted up with all the tools, all the preparation that you needed. The instruction and the tuition is second to none. So tiling course, as I say, just finished, but plumbing, I've finished my 5-day and I can basically go home now and get on with my own home bathroom, tile it, plumb it, rip everything out, start again from finish, and I've got that confidence, which I came here with no confidence and no prior knowledge, but actually after 10 days, I feel that I could really get stuck into it now. On top of that, I've also booked on for a 5-day advanced plumbing, and I'm also booked in for the plastering course. So yeah, can't recommend the guys highly enough. Fantastic place, and you'll learn a lot.